ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗೋವಾಗೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಗೋವಾ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಿಂದ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಿಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನೌ ಆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. Hello, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Oh, it's Road Rider again. I'm back again with another vlog. I'm still here in Goa today, and in Palolem, to be very specific. We finished checking out from the 𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗵 hostel and doing a little bit of cold start on my age-old Swift. Tell hi to Spidey. It was a very fun experience. I got to meet a lot of people in the night. We were almost chilling there in the common area till 3:30 in the night, and then I went to sleep. We played Uno, we played Jenga with random strangers. It was good. I didn't even ask their name, but who cares? Who cares what name they have? Towards the end, it was a good like bonding moment with strangers. Anyways, we are going to stay in Palolem / canacona for another 2 days. So and our next check-in, which is almost on the beach, is around 3 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock, by the way. We have 4 hours, so we thought we'll do some sightseeing at least. And we've heard a lot about Butterfly Beach. I'm sure you guys also would have heard about Butterfly Beach. We are going there. We'll have to do a little bit of trek, and after that go down, experience some real Goan bliss. Anyways, let's not waste time. Let's head out. I'll also be doing a little bit of kayaking and some activities later in the evening because it's too hot now. I don't think so we'll be able to do some activities, and in the evening it'll be calm, and even the tides will be calm. So in the evening, of course, you can join me on the kayaking adventure as well. But for now, let's head out. We are finally here. Butterfly Beach.
Turn left.
Full off-roading fence.
After the worst road ever, we finally reached.
This is not worst road. This is cute road. For the only off-road hunters, this is cute road.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Please check out my wife's beautiful trekking attire. Look at how comfortable this looks for trekking.
It feels comfortable though. Loose
And
pant.
wearing flip-flops also. Tossing all the mud onto the new blue color jeans pant.
Papa.
And look at the sunglasses, meant for trekking. By the way, if you can get your bikes till here, you can go to the beach directly without having to walk or taking a jeep. The off-road seems pretty doable. I hope the view is worth it. After you enter the parking lot, you have to pay 100 rupees per car and then do a 2-kilometer trek. You also have an option of taking a jeep, which costs 250 per person. They do both pick up and drop. So we want to like experience real walking in this attire.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
According to the parking lot guy, he told it's going to take 30 minutes one way. And we are just done with 10 minutes of walking, I guess. Even though it's very hot, there's a lot of shade on this trek, so in that way it's actually good. You can relax for some time and then continue also. Check out the vegetation. You can easily shoot a horror movie here. I think we finally reached. This is the last parking place, from beyond which I don't think so you can take your two-wheeler also. From here is just walking. Hey, Himalayan. Crazy damaged Himalayan. A lot of unnecessary garbage everywhere. Too bad Indians can't handle anything too good. And this place smells of strong pee. People have used nature's property as a personal property. Very sad. I can hear boats. I think we are almost there. 2 kilometers of trek, almost completed. Amidst all this garbage, we finally reached the Butterfly Beach. After coming to the Butterfly Beach, we actually met one local fisherman. He'll take us on a boat tour. He's going to show us 3 places. One place, how this Butterfly Beach is actually called Butterfly Beach because of the shape. And one more, he was telling he'll take us in the middle of the ocean to experience real blue water. And one more, he was talking about some turtle rock. It's supposedly very famous on YouTube, it seems. Not sure. Anyways, he charged us around 300 per head. Let's see if it's actually worth it. Our boat is here. Let's head.
देखा उसके वो आगे मुंडी बाहर जाएगा तभी वो टॉर्टाइस हो जाएगा। देखा?
ओ हाँ।
अभी तक आया नहीं, उसकी मुंडी आने वाले है। हाँ देख, अभी धीरे धीरे आ रहे हैं। देख देख।
हाँ।
अभी पूरा अभी तक नहीं हो गया टॉर्टाइस। हाँ देखिए, अभी थोड़ा सा करके होता है। देखो अभी हो गया टॉर्टाइस, देख। हाँ देख, अभी हो गया।
He charges 600 rupees, 300 per head, and the whole trip was around 20 to 30 minutes approx. It was nothing great, but it's season, man, so I think everything is overpriced. Off season, I think you will get the same thing for 400 rupees, 200 per head. Yeah, you'll have to pay 100 rupees more now. Never mind. It was a good experience. Experience some good blue waters, and we saw left foot sized rock, a tortoise shaped rock. Overall good. And now next we have a check-in at 3 o'clock in 𝗥𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗶𝗵 beach. It's almost on the beach. We'll be staying there for two more days, and tomorrow morning we'll plan accordingly to go on a dolphin tour This guy is promising us that 100%, 101% sightings of dolphins. So let's see if it's actually correct, if he's actually not bluffing. He's even guaranteed us to give us our money back if we don't spot dolphins. I was about to tell elephants. So used to using the word elephants. Anyways, we have to trek back another 20 plus minutes to our car, and then we'll go towards our next destination.
Several days later.
It's actually a very brand new homestay. He doesn't even have a proper parking place. I think I'm the first one who's come in the car. So he made that adjustment for us to get in the car so that I can park safely. Anyways, let me just check in and show you around Coconut Grove.
Later that same evening.
No, we actually reached Coconut Grove. I'm not stoned actually.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रही है.
It's a very peaceful property. Just look at the surroundings. It's 5:20. I'm heading towards the beach to go do some kayaking. This is our room by the way. Let me show you what's there inside. Nothing much actually, nothing grand, but it's cute. You have a bed, you have a mirror, you have like a room to keep your luggage, and a bathroom, and a table after all. That's it, pretty much. And a cute sit out. The weather is very pleasant. Yesterday night it was actually cold. Anyways, let's head to the beach. The owner of the property is a very hardworking man. I strongly recommend coming to this place because it's super affordable and easily accessible to the beach. The beach is just 3 minutes from where we are staying. We are finally on the beach. It's not even 3 minutes walk. Welcome to Palolem Beach. Okay, so wifey doesn't want to do kayaking. She's all dressed up and stuff. So I'm going solo kayaking. Check out my paddle. I hope the view is perfect. Okay, let's head then. Let's head into the horizon. Solo adventure. The last time we did kayaking was in Thailand. It's been 11 months. Jeez, we're growing real old every day, and time literally flying by. I came a long way. From Bangalore, of course, and from Palolem Beach as well. Something very funny happened just now. I'm literally in the middle of the sea, and I could smell someone smoking up. Then I turned around. There's actually a couple who rolled a joint, who lit a spliff in the middle of the sea. Okay, then it's almost sunset. Let's go back and then let's try getting loose in the sky.